I thought the laundry machine sounded a little fishy, like there was something maybe scraping around inside the unit. That's because there is something scraping inside the unit. There appears to be a coin of some type in there. Looks like maybe a 5 cents. So let's see if we can get that out. Hopefully it come out with relative ease, because I'm not well versed in taking these apart. You know, it's a wonder how that even got in there, because it's not loose. Oh, now it is. Got it. Okay. Well, this is a pretty clean. It actually, like, legitimately is really clean. This is a pretty clean. It's a nickel. Yeah, 5 cents. All right, that should solve that. Let's see what else is going to get flaky today.